the software will automatically open the accounts. The secondary YouTube channels will log in by themselves and then start accessing the link to your shorts video on your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. If you want your YouTube shorts to get more views and more interactions, then make sure to watch this entire video. Today I'm going to show you a tool that will help you increase the views on your shorts, boost your channel subscriptions, and get more likes on your videos. This is the interface of the software. First, the software allows you to manage an unlimited number of your YouTube channel accounts. Imagine that these YouTube channels will be used to watch your own YouTube videos. Here you can manage as many as you want without any limit. Each additional secondary YouTube channel you have will correspond to a real user. For example, if you have 1,000 secondary YouTube channels, you can increase your shorts views by 1,000. To increase your YouTube views, go to the setting function, then select setting video. Here you can choose whether to set up for long videos or shorts. Select the setting shorts option, then enter the link to your shorts video here. Here I'll demonstrate with this shorts video. You just need to copy the link, then paste it into the software. Next, you can set up various parameters such as having your secondary YouTube channels like the video, subscribe to the channel, or even comment on your shorts video. You can enter the content you want for the comments right here. Just create whatever content you wish. Then you'll select which secondary YouTube channels to use. The software also supports bulk creation of these secondary YouTube channels. You just need to have Gmail accounts or email addresses ready, and the software will automatically create multiple secondary YouTube channels for you. After selecting the channels, all you have to do is press the start button. The software will automatically open the accounts. The secondary YouTube channels will log in by themselves and then start accessing the link to your shorts video on your YouTube channel, and then it will begin performing those actions. The software will open the secondary YouTube channels and start accessing that shorts video, just as you can see in this screenshot.